Hey everyone, Ben Freckman here, Eurotherm by Schneider Electric. We're here at MP 2018 taking a look at some of our system products that we brought out just for the show. Come take a look. Thanks for coming in. Just wanted to highlight our E+400 combination package for extrusion control, a fully integrated PLC plus analog control solution. I'll just walk you through some of the screen features as it comes with our full EHMI package, which is fully configurable. So here we're just looking at obviously the pressure and temperature variables in the system. So we're looking at all the different zones throughout the extrusion line. You can look at things like loop status, how is my production line performing immediately at that set point in time. I also have the ability to go back and look at trending values, whether it's over the last hour, the last day. Gives you a little bit more insight into the process in case you're looking to improve some areas or to look back from a quality perspective and see how you can improve the process and what happened in the past to make it either take the line down or degrade the quality of the components that you're producing. We also have an EPAC interface built in for our SCR controllers, so you can read back the diagnostic power information to get a better idea of how the actual heater loads are comparing to the performance that you are desiring in the system, right? Typical alarm set points and alarms being indicated on the screen. Obviously you see none right here, right now, so that's a good thing. Recipe management system included as well, so you can load multiple recipe set points programs into this fully scaled solution. So again, here we're looking at the E+400 combination package for extrusion, released new for MP 2018. Thanks for staying with me and taking a look. Hope to see you soon.